Ang pagmamahal ay isang aksyon na dapat gagawin ng bawat partner. Jorel and Jenna, you must continue to grow in love. Love one another as you love God.
Right here, right now, while the sun is shining down, I wanna live like there's no tomorrow, like I'm on borrowed time.
Tama si Pastor, love is patient and kind, and you have always been patient and kind to me. As long as God is with us, I will love you till they take my heart away.
Hold on, if the life that we've been given is made beautiful in the living, and the joy that we get brings joy to the heart of the giver, then right here, right now, this is the song I'm singing out. I wanna live like there's no
Ako'y nagpapasalamat sa Diyos dahil siya ang nagtalaga ng araw na ito. Hindi pa man tayo pinapanganak. Malaking pasalamat po sa ating pagiging magkaibigan na nauwi sa pag-iibigan.
like there's no tomorrow, like I'm on borrowed time. It's good to be alive. Yeah.
I thank God so much kasi because of the way you love me, I understood more how much God loves me, that He can forgive me no matter my mistakes, no matter my shortcomings, and no matter how much I failed you, you still love me.
Will live to say thank you. I wanna live like there's no
Love bears all things, hope all things, endures all things. In other words, love never give up.
It's good to be alive. I wanna live like there's no tomorrow, like I'm on borrowed time. It's good to be alive.
Mamahalin pa rin kita, tumaba man ako o hindi sa piling mo. Sa tulong at biyaya ng Diyos, ako'y manatiling tapat. Mamahalin ka hanggang magkaapo ang ating mga.
Give you a